And can you tell me what letter I'm drawing?
O.
Good.
L.
What's that letter?
L.
What is it?
O.
What's the other one?
That.
What's the other letter? What's this one?
L.
I like how you say that. What is this letter?
I.
Yeah. What is this letter right here?
B.
Is that B? What is this letter?
I. O.
That's O. I, L. What's this letter?
E.
Okay, what is this letter?
Y.
What is this letter?
Okay.
Q.
O.
O.
I.
Yeah.
I.
How do you say this one?
U.
This one. How do you say that one?
Y.
How do you say this one right here?
No.
You don't say it?